See if you can make sense of this scene where he puts a hit out on Nikolai and it fails.
The Kravenov hit failed.
The Kravenov.
Now I'm gonna replay that, because quite frankly, I had to replay that to make sure I saw what I saw. I guess the show called him the Dolphin because clearly he shares more of that DNA than with a rhino. The actor himself says he has no idea what this is because they added this sound in post. That's not even him making that noise.
No.
So, if this movie decides it can just make up random sounds, why can't I? Here's my top 3. Okay, best not to dwell on it too much. Top 4! I cannot promise there won't be. Top 5.